Follow me to make a habitat in a box. Take any cardboard box, a shoebox will do, with tree trunks going from top to bottom, logs on the ground and a leaf canopy on top. You can use anything lying around the house. Old magazines, old birthday cards, you'd be surprised what pictures and colours you can find. Create little tabs on the pieces of paper that you use to stick them to the top or the sides or even the bottom as well. Look for different shapes in your recyclable materials. I've used the side of a box here to create a log on the ground. Don't be shy to use natural materials. Nature provides us with all sorts of things, from leaves and twigs to petals and stones. One last tip I have for you is to use string, colour it in green pen, and then put that along the top of your canopy and it will look like vines. Send us pictures of your habitat in a box to feature in our community gallery. Happy crafting!